Hi, John. How are you?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing great. What are you doing these days?
I'm improving my spoken English these days.
That's nice. What are you practicing mostly?
I'm learning daily use English phrases because they are very important in conversations.
Really? Why are phrases so important?
Because phrases make our English sound natural and fluent.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Instead of saying wait, people often say hold on a second.
Oh, wow. That sounds more natural.
Exactly. Native speakers use phrases all the time in daily conversations.
So, phrases can improve speaking skills too.
Absolutely. They improve speaking, listening, and confidence.
That's amazing. I should start learning phrases daily.
Yes, learn a few phrases every day and use them while speaking.
Thanks, John. Your advice is really helpful.
You're welcome, Sarah. Keep practicing and never give up.
Can we study some phrases today?
That's a great idea. Let's learn some interesting phrases.
फ्रेज नंबर 1 हाउज इट गोइंग इस फ्रेज का मीनिंग होता है सब कैसा चल रहा है एन एग्जाम्पल हाय राहुल हाउज इट गोइंग
Phrase number 2. What's going on? इस phrase का meaning होता है क्या चल रहा है? And example, what's going on here?
फ्रेज नंबर 3 आई एम ऑन माई वे इस फ्रेज का मीनिंग होता है मैं रास्ते में हूं एन एग्जाम्पल डोंट वरी आई एम ऑन माई वे
Phrase number 4. Take your time. इस phrase का meaning होता है आराम से करो, जल्दी नहीं है. And example, take your time while choosing.
दिस इज रियली फैंटास्टिक टू लर्न स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश लेट्स सी मोर फ्रेजेस शैल वी सी
Yes, sure. And here it is. Phrase number 5. Sounds good. का meaning होता है अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है. And example, let's meet tomorrow. Sounds good.
फ्रेज नंबर 6 आई डोंट फील लाइक इट और इसका मीनिंग होता है मेरा मन नहीं है एन एग्जाम्पल आई डोंट फील लाइक गोइंग आउटसाइड
And here is phrase number 7. What do you mean? इस phrase का meaning है तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? Example, what do you mean by that?
फ्रेज नंबर 8 इज इट डजंट मैटर एंड मीनिंग इज कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता एग्जाम्पल इट डजंट मैटर इफ यू आर लेट
Phrase number 9 is I'm just kidding. And meaning is मैं सिर्फ मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Room. Relax. I'm just kidding.
फ्रेज नंबर 10 इज कीप इन टच एंड मीनिंग इज संपर्क में रहना बाय कीप इन टच फ्रेज नंबर 11 इज आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू इसका मतलब होता है मुझे तुम पर गर्व है एंड एग्जाम्पल इज आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू फॉर योर हार्ड वर्क
Phrase number 12 is that's a great idea. And meaning is ye bahut acha vichar hai. Example, let's start a YouTube channel. That's a great idea.
Phrase number 13 is I can't wait and meaning is मुझसे इंतजार नहीं हो रहा. Example, I can't wait for the trip.
Phrase number 14 is be careful. Meaning is savdhan raho. And example, be careful while driving.
Phrase number 15 is I'm feeling tired and meaning is मैं थका हुआ थकी हुई महसूस कर रही हूँ. Example, I'm feeling tired after work.
Phrase number 16 is don't worry about it. Meaning is iski chinta mat karo. Example, don't worry about it. I'll handle it.
Great job, John. Keep it up.
Yes, Sarah, it's really fun. Phrase number 17 is long time no see. And meaning is bahut dinon baad mile. Example, hey, long time no see.
Phrase number 18 is that's enough and meaning is bas bahut hua. Example, that's enough for today.
Phrase number 19 is I'm not sure. And meaning is mujhe pakka nahi pata. Example, I'm not sure about the answer.
Phrase number 20 is it's up to you, and meaning is ये तुम पर निर्भर है. Example, you can choose. It's up to you.
Phrase number 21 is I'll try my best. And meaning is मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूंगा, करूंगी. Example, I'll try my best to help you.
Phrase number 22 is see you soon, and meaning is जल्द मिलते हैं. Bye, see you soon. Phrase number 23 is never mind, and meaning is कोई बात नहीं. Example, never mind, it happens.
Phrase number 24 is I totally agree, and meaning is मैं पूरी तरह सहमत हूँ. Example, I totally agree with your opinion.
Phrase number 25 is have a nice day, and meaning is आपका दिन शुभ हो. Example, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this conversation helped you understand the importance of phrases in daily spoken English. Remember, learning English becomes easier when you practice small phrases every day in real conversations. Try to use these phrases with your friends, family, or while speaking to yourself. Regular practice will improve your confidence, fluency, and pronunciation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting English learning videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep speaking English confidently.